Good morning. Good morning. And today it's our day 8 of my vacation leave. I decided to go a sea bath early in the morning. Honestly, in the south part of Cebu, they have the jellyfish. And that's the reason I need to be extra careful before I go a sea bath. But honestly, the lifeguard already say that so far is not that much nothing here in this area, but of course we need to careful because some of that is really small. But here in Jpark they have also protected in this area, and you can do a snorkeling here. And by the way, where's my son Manuel? Still sleeping, and I decided to do my late breakfast, so I do already my coffee and a little bit biscuits, and then I go here and do a little bit snorkeling here, and then after that I will back again to awake my boy, and we will do our breakfast. So for the family, it's also a good idea that you can come here when it's already allowed to do the swimming. Before your breakfast, you can also come here, and it's very relaxing, and it's also good. It's going high tide for today. And let's see, after this, I will try my manual. So because what I say, there's a bokya, we say that, or the jellyfish. I need to be careful because it's not easy to go in the hospital when you are on vacation, no? And most especially that I am already a tourist here in the Philippines. And yeah, it's not that much easy with your kids. You need to really careful. And of course, I always miss this is our sea here in Hiluntungan channel. No, this is where we used to when we are kids. In the Marigondon, Maribago, we always do our swimming time. So that's it, my boy. Already have our breakfast. That's mine. Of course, dried fish is there and the hot dogs. And I tried the pastry also. The ensamada Filipino, the Danish pastry and all. And yeah, we will go in with our day and just continue watching our video and discovered here inside in Jpark. This is my Jpark story, my Jpark stays.
The world is a wondrous place when you slow it down.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground.
Sway in the autumn leaves.
You are beautiful.
When you look at me, can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh.
Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my Stay through the change, through the way that the colors turn. can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh.
Can you feel my love? Oh, oh,
Can you feel my love? Can you feel my love?
ooh, it's the fall, the falling in love. Ooh, it's the fall, the falling in love. Ooh,
It's the fall, the falling in love. Ooh, it's the fall, the falling in love.
Can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh.
The first step of the lost. Half 9
Papa fish.
Papa fish. Oh, chase it. Yeah, hubby. Ik zie je niks. Hey. Ik zie je niks. Man.
Warum, wie geht's dir mehr? Salzig? Aber jetzt wahrscheinlich gleichzeitig wegfahren.
Manuel again do his light here. And after this, let's see what we can do for today. And it's already get super warm, and that's the reason I need to to bring the food in the room. Manu! We have our afternoon siesta time because it's very hot outside, and at 4 or 5 p.m. I have my visitors here, so they will come here today, and we have our dinner. So that's it. Continue to watch our videos, and I still have more days here in the Philippines, and we have our dinner here in Abalone restaurant. And after that, I have incidents happening in our room, so we need to move again. So that's it. But anyway, We have our room tour again. It's a carpet style and a Mactan suit, but still also an ocean view. We need to move because of the condition of the room. But I would like also to say thank you to the Jpark team for assisting us. It's really like a horror for me, honestly, and even my son. But as of now, they give us another accommodation. It's a carpet type of Mactan suit and also still a ocean view. It's really like, I have visitors. I am from restaurant, and that's incident happening. We not expect it, but again, it's already our another room. But at least I can sleep tonight. Have a nice day and best next time.